yeah, this time I'm recording videos on this because the last two videos might have kind of got corrupted. Yeah, got corrupted. This one though, I tried to record Minecraft, Roblox. No, that was so loud. What the heck? Let's play. Free for all. God dang. That's right. Fine, press C. God. I don't like, even though I don't like the controls that much. Without using controller, I don't like the controls. So I think this is only my first time recording actual video. Not third. I don't know at this point. This has to be a way to turn down the music. Wanna go? Mine. I'm just killing myself at that point. Also, not the same character. Bam! Oh, let's go, fam. Let's go. Bam! Chill. I did. I could be the real. Oh, I did. Me did. Throw that on the ground. I'm gonna try mode now. Spirit block, boy! Spirit block to the face! Oh, I know I didn't do that. I'm not even gonna lie. I didn't know. I thought it would just knock him down a little bit, but bruh, I tried to throw it away. I thought that was me, like, bruh. Got. Spirit bomb! The movie I'm called Spirit Bomb, I think I just like to call it because it looks like it's. If I don't want Dragon Ball, chill out. No, that's a Gatling gun. Second time by her or him. I don't know if it's him or guy. Uppercut. I think you gotta do this. I'm gonna do a Gatling gun. Oh my god, I wanna do it. Oh, you wanna go? Green's better than blue. Yeah, no, green is not my favorite color. There's no red, so I have just green. Or black. I don't know what the black is, so I don't know. Bam! Okay, I'm gonna fight you. Gatling gun! I want a Gatling gun. Oh my god! Enough! I'm taking you down. Yes! Still took it down. Finally! Oh my god, you again. No. And DJs. I give you 1 point. I didn't give you 1 single point. God dang. No, there has to be turn this music down. Nope, there has to be a way. Thank you. God dang. That legit got annoying. Oh my god. Did you confirm it? Oh, the Ben 10 thingy! I love Ben 10. if y'all don't watch Ben 10, what is wrong with y'all? Ben 10 is one of the best OG shows. Ask anyone. Let's go. We live, eh? They spamming. They got the... What did I just do? Gatling gun! Get out of here. I can't just kill myself. Oh, chill! I'm dead. You're dead. Oh my god, what's going on? Oh, I thought that was my keybinds, bro. Bye! Wanna keep going? Bam! Oh, chill. I'm done. How did I knock myself off? How can you knock someone off by themselves? Like, bro, I cannot be this bad at any game. Just stay. What? I'm gonna not even upload. Bam! Yes! Step away from the vehicle, sir. Basically, the weapon. What? I don't know. I just. Can you throw it? No one throws things at me. How did you do that? I am gonna be a pro YouTuber one day. Oh, I'm a gamer man. Oh, I'm winning this. I'm gonna try you. Let's go. No! How? I just hit my foot and it hurt a lot. That just hurt it a lot. I want rematch. No, I'm actually mad. I know it's a shop. Okay, store. How many do I have? 500. The more expensive it is, the more power it is. Well, I got to grind. Actually got grind. Blue, no, I don't want blue. I'll take red. I'm ready. Bam! Who's my team and who isn't? Red versus blue. Petra versus Petra. Actually, I don't know who Let's go, Ann. I'll go ham on you. Wanna go? Let's go, fam! Bam! my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Go, 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 go. Oh, that was my first out. God dang it. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, that's cool. I gotta go up. I want revenge. Bam! Yeah, these guys have way more abilities. Stealth mode. Stealth mode. I'm gonna end this now! No, we cannot be this bad. I gotta end this. I'm like practicing. I'm not. We have no time limit. It's who goes out first. I'm editing this. Oh no! Oh no! Please! No! What? What did that happen? What did that happen? No, I'm actually mad. Actually. Yeah, you out now! No, I'm actually mad. Chill. Bam! Let's go. Yeah, who have one life now? 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 Yes, you. Get out of here. No. You tried! You thought! You thought! How did I survive that? How did I survive that? God dang. I'll let her take her. I like to take care of this. No! God dang it! Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Come on, don't you dare die. Don't you dare die. Don't you dare die. I wanna win this. I wanna win this. I wanna win this. Don't you dare die. Come on, come on, come on. Don't have that much time. Come on, come on, come on. Go on, don't you dare die. I don't know your name, but that's your name, but don't you dare die. Don't be too cocky. I don't want to win. I don't want to win. I don't want. I want. I don't not win. I don't want to lose. This person being cocky. I don't care. Anyone says this person being cocky. This person being. She's being cocky. She's being cocky. Just end it. End it. Okay, now I know why she's being cocky. Well, if y'all did enjoy, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, post notifications on.